This is my new trail cam, hot off the Amazon truck, and I'll tell you why I purchased this type of cam. And maybe you might want to get one like this too. To start out with, I want to tell you what it cost. This one is $99.98 on Amazon. They got it to me in one day. This came in yesterday. You will get 2 straps and a small USB-C cable, but any USB-C cable will work, and your owner's manual. I want to point out some things that I like about this camera. And after owning 3 over the past several years, okay, so this one is definitely the best one I've had so far. Okay, I like the strap that came with it. You get 2 of them. Just simply slide this up in here. Pull it wherever you want. Hear that little snap there? Not going anywhere. It's just really easy to do. And when you're in the field, that's important. Undo it, and there you have it. Here's where you plug it in to charge via USB-C. Here on the bottom. I got it plugged in here. Got a little cap right here. The cap is attached. It's not going anywhere. And also you see where you could mount it on a tripod right there. And also kind of like the grippiness of it, if you will. The back here holds to whatever you got very well. Now let's open it up, and I want to show you some more things I like about it. Just 2 clips right here on the side, nothing to it. All the cameras I've had are similar to this. So most cameras are this similar. So I'll show you right here. Now, that's what it looks like inside. And this is the part I'm coming to that another feature I really like. Here. Right here, it takes a full-size, this is what I got right here, full-size SD card. A lot of the other cameras, you're dealing with this right here. So I like this one with the full size. That's great. Goes right in here. Like that, and you just put it in. Really like that. Now let's turn it on, and I'll show you some settings, and I'll move fast on this because it's not really that difficult. It's easier than you think here. Okay, see if I can zoom my camera in. I'm sure I can. Let's zoom in right here. Get as close as I can. Show you what I'm doing here. Okay, now what I want to point out here is this setup right here. Okay, let's just turn it to setup. It's in the middle, right there. Voopeak. Notice my battery is at 100%. This camera came fully charged. And once it's charged up and you have that solar panel on it like that, it lasts for a long time. My other one, actually haven't touched it. And that's been a couple years ago. So that's why I'm saying this may be the one you want to get. I do want to add, this is not the only camera out there. I suggest getting on Amazon and looking around. If you spend a little more, you're going to maybe get some more features. So. But if this is a mid-range camera, and I think it's well worth the money. Okay, let's push some buttons. show you how easy this is. And of course, you got your owner's manual here. Not that many. It looks like there's a lot in here, but you know there's different languages. Got this, you're good to go. Everything's online, of course, too. Okay, let's see. Now, let's go to setup again. I'm going to zoom in on the screen here. I'm going to be pushing the menu button right here. Replay, self-explanatory. And here's some arrow keys here, and of course you're okay. I think the shot will just take a shot, and mode. Okay, and then the other place here is says on, so we'll go over that here in just a second. But I'm going to zoom in on the screen and push a few buttons. Let's see here. This is my Insta360 brand new webcam. Very happy to have it. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Let's hit menu. So you got mode, and I'm in the photo and video mode. So let's just go okay that. Okay, so if I just want videos, I can go there, or I want photos and videos. That's self-explanatory there. That's where I normally leave it. And then we'll okay that, and then we'll go to PIR interval. Okay, let's go to push the down arrow. That's what I'm doing here. Here. Oh, whatever. Let me get out of the way. Let's go PIR sensitivity, passive infrared sensitivity. Let's okay that. Medium. Okay, that's the default, but you can play around with that. And if you're getting too many shots that you don't want, of course, you can put it on low. If you're not getting any, put it on high. Try it there. Try it and see what works for you. And we'll just okay that. Now, time lapse. Let's go down to that. I said this thing's fun to use. So a lot you can do. You can have it out in your yard just for fun. Great for security. Of course, it's great for a trail camera. But anyway, enough on that. Let's go ahead and okay that. And we either turn the time lapse on or off. You can't go wrong there. Try it and have fun with it. Okay, loop recording. Okay, on or off. What this means here is if your SD card gets full, I mean, it would take a lot to fill up your SD card. It will just continually, it will overwrite it and start over again.
Over here. Down. Give me a pop.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get